Good afternoon, Tommy.
Hey Jitterbugly.
Ik kan het Leo verisi. But kan I trouble for my flower pillow? I lost it.
It's under the bunk bed.
Okay, thanks, Tommy.
What have I done? My gacha life pictures are in there. I'm in big trouble. She's got to know my secret now.
Here is my flower pillow. Oh, there it is. What are it hos under here? Looks like some of my
I'm dead.
pictures of me in the flower store. Is start me and Tommy. Punkter. In love.
Oh dear.
Explain yourself, Tommy. Did you make these pictures?
The truth is, I fell in love with you.
Wild what? Seriously?
The way your voice sounds. When you talk, the way you look at me. It makes me feel happy and more in love. I understand if you don't love, 'cause I said all that.
Of Tommy. Of course I love you. I vet it. We will be friends. But we are friends. At first I was fond of myself and others my friends. But some people will fall in love with me, but I reject them. But third confession you did make me fall in love with you. I'm sorry, Tommy, to amuk.
Sorry Jitterbugly, I just had to.
What are they doing? He never knew Jitterbugly would fall in love. Yes, that was weird. I'm going to see television.